Mario, are you okay?
I brought you more.
I will avenge you, Mario. Ah, I got him! Ah, good trade! Mario, I will see you in the afterlife. Pizza pie as long as you can eat. A Yahoo!
3, 2, 1, go, go, go!
Yahoo!
Go!
Yahoo! You just gotta jump. You gotta jump, dude. It's not.
Hello everybody and welcome to the House Gamers Halloween special. Today I'm playing with Jet Desert Fox and Dutch the Hooligan to get some good old Halloween memes. I hope you guys enjoy and have yourselves a merry, merry Halloween. Or spooky Halloween. Have a spooky Halloween.
Yahoo! Anybody watching all right?
Dutch, we're moving right. Let's keep on going right. Whoa.
Hop into the hospital, a pizza pie. Brother, no! Oh, there's a guy right there. Okay.
Right here, Dayton, there's
Yeah, I gotta cross. Hey, Dutch, get over here, man. I mean, a brother. A Yahoo over here. Okay, let's go through the hospital pizza pie. I'll covering fire us.
Really slow, okay, keep on going.
Yahoo! Can you go this way? That doesn't look like it.
I found that out earlier today.
Oh, I can't tell. I'm dead.
Sort of clear. Sort of clear. Yeah, clear.
I think it might not be clear. That guy just got pegged in. Watch out, a guy just got pegged in the side of the head from right there. Mario, brother.
It's probably not the good
The greenhouse on the side there. Do you think I could Yahoo through this window?
One down, I think.
Ready? Hold on.
Did we not hit him?
I got this. I got this. Ready? Ready? Oh, good shot, dude.
Okay, you sniped it. You sniped at the guy. You sniped at the guy. Did you snipe him?
He seems to be a dead boy.
Oh, he is. Look at that guy. He is spaghetti.
He got the spaghetti. Oh, Yahoo!
They pushed back on the right side. When he died, they pushed up.
Let's go take it back.
Let's go this way. No.
Oh, a different way.
That's the flank of the left. I think. Thank you. Okay, I'm just gonna go.
Just to go, Mario.
I'm just gonna go.
I'll go with you, Mario. Oh, Yahoo! Oh, Yahoo! Oh, run faster. Do you think I can get to that barricade there? Building. Yeah. We Swiss cheese that guy, dude. Oh, Yahoo, Mario.
Move into black.
Go ahead.
Watch it, Dayton. Watch your left. Hey, what?
Yeah. Yep.
Hey, stop shooting!
But you gotta keep shooting. Make sure you are really dead.
That's to the left. Okay there?
Get back right here.
Okay. I'm going to keep pushing.
Ow! Stay down, Mario. Stay down.
Oh, jeez.
Right around the other side, Mario. Ah, good shot.
Head down.
I'll come back, brother. Jet's alone up there. Oh. Effort's harder in sun, eh?
There's one on the front face of the building to our right.
I see Mario. Cross quick. Sit, sweet. Oh my God! Ah! Ah! Blah! Blah! My body! My body! Oh, I'm better, thanks, man. Come over to you.
Over there in that barricade with the barrels, you can see all the way up there.
You want to give me cover? I'll move up there.
Yeah. You see him right through the window?
Through that window there.
Right in front of you. There's one.
Okay.
Yep, there.
Keep-
Fairly.
Watch that window, okay?
Yeah, I got it. The first one hit us, I put my hand up.
Oh, it did? Sorry, man. Sorry. Window, right there. A Yahoo Dutch. I cleared the building, brother.
I killed him, he didn't call it forever.
Well, kill him more.
I did.
Turned into a Swiss cheese. That's the best on the pizza pie. Here, come move up with me. Thank you. Can you watch that right side?
Yeah, I got the right side.
Got him.
Right side's spawning now. Dayton, right ahead of you. 3 guys spawning.
Okay.
Are they running?
I'll move right with you. Yippee! And move up with you. Right ahead. Did you?
Jeez, he took forever to die.
He was wearing a couple layers of body armor, don't worry.
A little bit. He got some straight. Building actually.
Okay. You watch down straight,
Just the one.
I'm gonna move up the building. Come on, watch the left side.
Right. Get down. Check left. Yeah, I got it. I got right. Keep checking left.
We got good shadow coverage here. Here, fire. You hit? Brother.
Yep. They're spawning now. There's 3 people in spawn. Oh, they're dead. They're in their spawn.
Oh. Hello, enemies!
That was great.
Yahoo! Maybe we should back up a bit then.
Let's back up.
No,
We're
I'm
in
good.
the spawn.
We're in their spawn though. Let's back up. Mario!
Hey, Luigi.
Mario! It's been so long, brother. I've been alive for so long.
I don't think there's any more enemies on the field.
Tell me the story. Do you have a wife now?
You know, that's some trials and tribulations.
The right side is looking very good, Mario.
Oh, the left side's looking very clear.
I left in the pizza pie to snack on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Someone threw a bomb at me and I
A
threw it-
bomb?
Yes, a bomb.
Oh,
Can
no.
you believe?
Oh, no.
Respect. No respect.
No personal killing anymore. Let's
Oh my goodness.
not die, Mario. Not today. I will move to the other side of the building,
Yes,
Mario.
yes. Get him. Luigi, where are you?
Other side, brother.
Okay.
His head's down.
This
I thought that sounded like a helmet hit, but
There's a sniper shot right here. Oh, okay.
Mario,
Why do you not feel anything? Your brother just died.
I've seen so much death today, Yahoo. I have no more feelings, Yahoo. Mario, are you okay?
I got you, Marui.
I will avenge you, Mario. Ah, got him! Ah, good trade! Mario, I will see you in the afterlife. Pizza pie as long as you can eat. A Yahoo!